Today is Wednesday, the 4th of June. This is the 1976 Cadillac Eldorado air conditioning compressor from my friend Michael Kane. And this is the original compressor. We can see the indentation here in the front nose of the pulley and clutch. And when we try to spin the unit, we have to exert a lot of force to get it to rotate, which is indicative of a frozen spindle, consistent with the damage here on the front. This is the replacement unit where we can see with one hand it spins freely. Okay, absolutely perfect. So I'll be shipping this unit to my friend Michael as soon as I get his okay to ship. Reply confirmation. In addition to the air conditioning compressor, he's also getting the fully restored valve and receiver. He'll be sending me both of his core units. As this core is not sufficient, he'll be sending me back the other core that he has currently on the car, as well as the valve and receiver unit. And hopefully he'll get his air conditioning system running. And he is running the modern refrigerant, the 134A, consistent with my recommendations. I always use the upgraded unit, never the original valve and receiver when doing a 134A conversion from the original R12. But okay, some people want to be entirely period correct and stay with the original valve and receivers, and I do offer those full rebuilt as shown in the predecessor video. So this is George in Florida. I have over 375,000 original vintage parts from 1959 through 1976, all the way through 78 for the Eldorado. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, the tilt and telescopic steering columns, the power seat mechanisms, the instrument clusters, and other critical hard-to-source original vintage Cadillac items. Okay, today is Wednesday, June 4th. Thank you very kindly.